What is the other name of perimeter of a circle? We'll share you the answer at the end of this video. Hello everyone, it's me Deepa. Welcome to Home and Learn. Today we shall see class 8, chapter 1, rational numbers, exercise 1.2. Question number 1. Represent these numbers on the number line. First question is 7 by 4. Children, whenever a question is given, first you have to see for the numerator and the denominator. That is, if numerator is greater than denominator, that is, in our question 7 is greater than 4. So we have to convert into mixed fraction. That is, we have to divide and have to write in the mixed fraction. If 7 is divided by 4, 1 times 4 is 4, balance 3 is there. So how we will write in the mixed fraction? It is quotient is 1. So 1, remainder is 3. So 1, 3 by 4. Now we got the number. That is 1, 3 by 4. This is greater than 1. Why? We have one whole number. So this is greater than 1 and less than 2. So our number lies between 1 and 2. Now we can draw in the number line. So since it's a positive number, it will be going towards our right side. So 0, 1 and 2. Our number lies between 1 and 2. So we have left over a gap over here because we had to divide it into equal parts to plot this number. Here our denominator is 4. So we have to divide into 4 equal parts. That is 1, 2, 3 and 2 is our fourth part. So this will become as 1 by 4. That is 1 by 4. This is 2 by 4. That is 1 2 by 4. This is 3 by 4. 1 3 by 4. And this is our 1 4 by 4. That is 1 4s are 4. 4 plus 4 is 8 by 4. That is 2. So this is our number line. Now where our number lies, that is 1 3 by 4. So the 1 3 by 4 lies over here. So children, I will repeat it again. So whenever a number is given and we have to represent in the number line, first we have to see the numerator and the denominator. If numerator is greater than the denominator, we have to convert to the mixed fraction. Then we have to plot the number. Question number 1, subdivision 2, represent these numbers on the number line. Our question is minus 5 by 6. So children, just ignore the negative sign. We have to see the numerator and the denominator. Here our numerator is less than the denominator. So whenever a numerator is less than the denominator, the value is always less than 1. That is, if we divide numerator by denominator, we will be getting 0 point something. So this is very important point to be noted. Here, if we divide 5 by 6, we will be getting 0.833. And since it's a negative number, our answer is minus 0.833. It's just for your knowledge I have written. We no need to write and check for this. So whenever a numerator is less than a denominator, the value lies between 0 and 1. If it is a negative number, the value lies between 0 and minus 1. Here our number is negative, so it lies between 0 and minus 1. So can we represent in the number line? Since it's a negative number, we will be going from right to left. So 0, minus 1, minus 2. And how many equal parts we have to divide over here? We have to divide 6 equal parts because we have our denominator as 6. So we are moving from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and minus 1 is our sixth part. Now we can label the points. This is minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 5 by 6. So our number lies over here. Okay. Moving on to question number 2. Represent on the number line. Minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 9 by 11. So our first step is we should just ignore the negative sign. And we have to check for the numerator and the denominator. Here our numerator is less than the denominator. So what the point we have seen earlier, if a numerator is less than denominator, the value always lies between 0 and 1. Since here we have the negative number, it lies between 0 and minus 1. Also one more thing, did you notice all the numerators are same. So we can go directly and plot our numbers in the number line. So Since it's a negative number, it starts from right to left. So our 0, minus 1, minus 2. Now we have to divide the equal parts. So how many equal parts we should divide? We should divide 11 equal parts since our denominator is 11. Okay. So we have divided into 11 equal parts. Now we have to label them. So this starts from minus 1 by 11, minus 2 by 11, minus 3 by 11, minus 4 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 6 by 11, minus 7 by 11, minus 8 by 11, minus 9 by 11, minus 10 by 11, and minus 1 is our minus 11 by 11. So first number is we have to plot minus 2 by 11. This lies over here. The next is minus 5 by 11. This lies over here. And minus 9 by 11. This lies over here. Question number 3. Write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. This is very simple question. You can write any 5 rational numbers less than 2. So, if you say in a number line, 2 means less than 2. What are the numbers less than 2? This is 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and go on. So, you can write any 5 numbers as you wish. So, it can be a 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 or 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 3. Anything you can write. Our next question is question number 4. Write 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. So this is our negative number and the positive number. So whenever a question is given, we have to check for the numerator and the denominator. Here our denominators are different. So we have to make it as a common. For that we have to make a common multiple. So for 5 and 2, 10 will be the common multiple. So first we have to make the denominator as 10. So our minus 2 by 5 will become as, for making denominator as 10, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator with 2. So minus 2 into 2 divided by 5 into 2. This gives us minus 4 by 10. And for our 1 by 2, we have to multiply with 5, both numerator and denominator. So 1 into 5 divided by 2 into 5, which is equal to 5 by 10. Now we have got the two numbers with a common denominator. Now we can now we can write the rational numbers between them. We have to ignore the given numbers and we have to write only the in between numbers. That is, for after minus 4 by 10 is minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 1 by 10, 0. And here is 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10 and 4 by 10. Here we are getting only 8 numbers. So we are not getting 10 rational numbers. Since we are not getting 10 rational numbers between them, again we have to make our common multiple to 20, 30 and so on. So here we have over here 10. So we can make it for 20. So we have to multiply with 2. So minus 4 into 2 divided by 10 into 2. That is minus 8 by 20. Here 5 into 2 divided by 10 into 2, that is 10 by 20. Now we have to see the numbers between them. So what are the numbers we are getting? Minus 7 by 20, minus 6 by 20, minus 5 by 20, minus 4 by 20, minus 3 by 20. And here 1 by 20, 2 by 20, 3 by 20, 4 by 20 and 5 by 20. So we have all got here 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Moving on to next question, question number 5. Write 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. If you check for our denominator, it's different. So what you have to do? You have to make it as a common multiple. Our common multiple is 50. So 2 by 3 will become as 2 by 3 into 5 divided by 3 into 5. That is 10 by 50. 4 by 5, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. So 4 into 3 divided by 5 into 3, which gives us 12 by 15. If you see, for 10 by 15 and 12 by 15, we'll be getting only one number, 11 by 15 in between. So again, you have to go for the higher common multiple. So again, we are multiplying with 2. So 10 into 2 divided by 15 into 2, that is 20 by 30. Here 12 into 2 divided by 15 into 2 equals to 24 by 30. If you see over here also, between 20 and 24, we will be having 21, 22, 23, only 3 rational numbers. So again, you have to go for the higher number, common multiple. So we will now check for multiplying with 3, whether we are getting in between 5 rational numbers. 10 into 3 divided by 15 into 3. This gives us 30 by 45. and 12 into 3 divided by 15 into 3, which gives us 36 by 45. So if we see the numbers between them, 30 by 45 and 36 by 45, we will be getting 31 by 45, 32 by 45, 33 by 45, 34 by 45 and 35 by 45. So here we are getting 5 rational numbers. So for 2 by 3 and 4 by 5, this is the 5 rational numbers between them. Question number 5, subdivision 2, that is write 5 rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. So this is our negative number and this is our positive number. Again, if you check for the denominator, it's different. So we have to make it as a common multiple. For 2 and 3, 6 is a common multiple. So this we can write as minus 3 by 2 equals 2. We have to make denominator as 6. So multiplying both numerator and denominator with 3. So minus 3 into 3 divided by 2 into 3. Which gives us minus 9 by 6. For 5 by 3, we have to multiply with 2. So 5 into 2 divided by 3 into 2, which gives us 10 by 6. Now we can write the we can write the 5 rational numbers between them. Between minus 9 by 6 and 10 by 6. That is minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, minus 6 by 6, minus 5 by 6, minus 4 by 6. You can write any rational numbers between minus 9 by 6 and 10 by 6. So our answer is for minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. These are the 5 rational numbers. Question number 5, subdivision 3. Write 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Here also our denominators are different. So I have to take for the common multiple, that is 4. So since it's 1 by 4, we can write as such 1 by 4. For 1 by 2, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator with 2. So 1 into 2 divided by 2 into 2, that is 2 by 4. Now again for 1 by 4 and 2 by 4, there is no any rational numbers between them. So again what we are making for the higher higher common multiple. So we are multiplying by 3. 1 into 3 divided by 4 into 3, that is 3 by 12. And 2 into 3 by 4 into 3, that is 6 by 12. So in between 3 by 12 and 6 by 12, there is also no 5 rational numbers. We get only 2 rational numbers, that is 4 by 12 and 5 by 12. So even if you multiply with 4 and 5 also, you won't be getting 5 rational numbers. So we are moving on to the next 6. So we are multiplying 1 into 6 divided by 4 into 6, which gives us 6 by 24. And 2 into 6 divided by 4 into 6, which gives us 12 by 24. Now we will be getting 5 rational numbers between them. That is 7 by 24, 8 by 24, 9 by 24, 10 by 24 and 11 by 24. Our next question, question number 6. Write 5 rational numbers which are greater than minus 2. Earlier we saw less than 2. This question is greater than minus 2. So this also you can write any 5 rational numbers. Greater than minus 2 means it can be minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 or 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6. Anything you can write. And our last question, question number 7. Write 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. So if you check for the denominator, it's different. So we will going for the common multiple. So 5 4s are 20. So our 3 by 5, I have to make denominator as 20. So I am multiplying both numerator and denominator with 4. So 3 into 4 divided by 5 into 4, which gives us 12 by 20. And for 3 by 4, we have to multiply with 5. So 3 into 5 divided by 4 into 5, which gives us 15 by 20. So if you check for the rational numbers between them, we will be getting only 2 rational numbers. So again we have to go for the greater common multiple. So we are multiplying with 2. So 12 into 2 divided by 20 into 2, that is 24 by 40. Again 15 into 2 divided by 20 into 2, that is 30 by 40. Again if you check over here, we will be getting only 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Only 6 rational numbers will be getting over here. Even if you multiply with 3 also, we won't be getting 10 rational numbers between them. So moving on to, we will multiply with 4. So 12 into 4 is 48, 20 into 4 is 80, and 15 into 4 is 60, 20 into 4 is 80. So now we can able to write 10 rational numbers between 48 by 80 and 60 by 80. That is 49 by 80, 50 by 80, 51 by 80, 52 by 80, 53 by 80, 54 by 80, 55 by 80, 56 by 80, 57 by 80, 58 by 80. So These are the numbers, 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Children, that's all the exercise 1.2. Children, some important points to be noted for this exercise 1.2 is, if the numerator is less than the denominator, the value is always less than 1. That is, if it is a positive number, it lies between 0 and 1. Or if it is a negative number, it lies between 0 and minus 1. If the numerator is greater than denominator, we have to convert into mixed fractions. If denominator is different, we must take the common multiple. Children, we shall see the answer for this question. What is the other name of perimeter of a circle? The answer is circumference. Thank you all. See you soon in the next video.